morning. Today's topic is factorization. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of factorization. So, if they given x square plus 3x and they'll ask you to factorize this one. So here, how many terms are there means you can say that x square is one term, 3x is another term, two terms are there. These two terms are separated with here symbol plus. Factorize means two or more terms should be separated by into. Means you have to write product of the terms. So if they given question like this and if they ask to factorize, in both the terms you have x as common, so I am taking x as common. X with which you have to multiply to get x square means x, and plus symbol as it is written here. X, this brackets means into, x into, with which you have to multiply to get 3x means you have to write 3. Now x into x plus 3 is factorization of x square plus 3x. The difference between the question and answer is here sum of the terms, here product of the terms. Do you understand or not? Now we will go for factorization of a quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials. So the degree of the polynomial must be 2. Example I will write here x square plus 6x plus 8. X square plus 6x plus 8. In this variable is x. X is here variable. X power 1 is there here. No x means x power 0. X power 0 value is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. X square. Here power 1, power 0, power 2. What is the highest power? 2. So highest power of the variable is called degree. So here x square plus 6x plus 8 is the question and it is called quadratic polynomial. It is quadratic polynomial. What I should do here? The question is factorize this one. Here 1, 2, 3 terms are there. They are separated with either plus or minus. But what you have to do is you have to write product of two terms. Then it is called factorization. For that what you have to do, we'll see. So here first step is first term, last term. With symbols multiply both. So x square into 8. If you multiply, how much you are getting here? 8 x square you are getting. Leave this x square. What is the coefficient here? 8. What is the coefficient here? 8. So here factors for 8 means which two numbers you have to multiply to get 8. Means 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. From tables from 1 to infinity in any table. So okay, 4 2s are 2 4s are both are same. 1 8s are 8 1s are both are same. So here 1 2 4 8. In that 4 tables only 8 will come. In remaining tables 8 won't come. So here 1 into 8, 2 into 4. You can split like that 2 only. Then what you have to do is this if you are considering, if you add or subtract 8 plus 1 or 8 minus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 minus 1 is 7. So the coefficient of middle term is here 6. It is not 9, it is not 7. So don't take 1 and 8. Now what is remained here? 2 and 4 is there. Add and subtract 2 plus 4, 2 minus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Symbol leave it off. You are getting 6 here or not? So you have to select two numbers. Their product must be 8. Their sum must be 6. Like that you should guess two numbers. What are the guessing numbers means 2 and 4. Isn't it? Now what I am writing is 2, 4 I written here. 8x square is there. Write x and x here like this. So here 8x square, 2x and 4x, if you multiply these two, 2x into 4x. If you multiply, you are getting 8x square or not? Then if you add these two, you should get middle term. What is middle term here? 6x. For 2x, if you add 4x, are you getting 6x or not? Yes, you are getting it. So, like that, you have to split this 6x into like these two terms. X square, okay? 6x, how I am writing? 2x plus 4x plus 8. Now, from first two terms and last two terms. From first two terms, you can take x as common. X into how much becomes x square means x only. Plus x into how much it becomes 2x means 2. Here in the brackets, what is there here? Here also we should get same. In this 4x and 8, which number you have to take as common to get x plus 2 here means plus 4. Now multiply it plus 4 into x plus 4x plus 4 into plus 2 plus 8. So in these two terms, if you take plus 4 as common, you are getting x plus 2 or not? Now this step is having a 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. This step is having only 2 terms. It is one term plus it is another term. In these two terms, what you can take as common? X plus 2 we can take as common. In this x plus 2 if you take as common, what is remained? X. In this x plus 2 if you take as common, what is remained? Plus 4. So x plus 2 into x plus 4 is factorization of this one. Okay. Now if you multiply these two, you should get this one. See, checking up. So here how to multiply is, it is very simple. What is first term? X into this entire. What is second term? 2 into this entire. X into x is x square. X into 4 is 4x. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 4 is 8. These two are like terms, 4x and 2x. X square plus 6x plus 8. See, these two if you multiply, you are getting this question or not? So question we split it like this, and again if they given answer means product, if you multiply you have to get the question. So this checking is important for us. Now we will do some more problems. Next problem is next 4y square plus 12y plus 5. See, steps you have to remember. What I said, it is a quadratic polynomial or not? What is variable here? Y. Y's highest power is what? 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Then what you have to do? Multiply first and last terms. 4y square should be multiplied with 5. 4y square into 5 if you do, you are getting 20y square or not? Factors for 20 means 1 into 20, 2 into 10. In 3 table it won't go. 4 into 5. After 4, 5 came here. So only 3 are there. Now if you add or subtract, you should get this middle term's coefficient. Middle term is 12y, y coefficient is 12. So these two if you add or subtract you won't get 12. These two if you add or subtract you won't get 12. If you add 2 and 10 you are getting 12. So select this one, means 2y and 10y. Now these two if you multiply you are getting 20y square, and these two if you add you are getting 12y. Now 4y square as it is, 12y, 2y plus 10y plus 5. First two terms, you can take 2y as common and 2y plus 1 will be. From these two terms 5 take as common, 2y plus 1 2y plus 1 take as common. So you are getting 2y plus 5. Checking. What is checking? 2y should be multiplied with 2y plus 5. 1 into 2y plus 5. 2y into 2y is 4y square. 2y into 5 is 10y. 1 into 2y, 2y. 1 into 5, 5. 4y square as it is 12y plus 5. 4y square plus 12y plus 5. It is the question. So, this, if you factorize, you got like this. If you multiply these two, you got the question. So, like this, now I will give some more problems for you to do. So, if you practice, then it becomes easy. So, I will give some questions here. Copy the questions and try to do it. The questions are y square minus 7y plus 12. It is one question. Its answer will say it. First term, last term multiplied 12y square. 12 factors. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. I said these two add or subtract, you won't get 7. These two, if you add or subtract, you won't get 7. These two, if you add, you are getting 7. So select this one, 3y and 4y. If you add these two, you should get minus 7y. So minus 3y, minus 4y. If you add, you are getting minus 7y. If you multiply these two, minus into minus is plus, 3 4 is 12, y into y is y square. So here y square as it is, in place of minus 7y, minus 3y minus 4y plus 12. Now what you have to do is y take as common, y minus 3, take minus 4 as common, y minus 3, y minus 4 into y minus 3. Checking as I said, multiply these two, you will get the question again. Next, one more question is 4x square minus 12x plus 5. 4x square minus 12x plus 5. And second question is a square plus 2a minus 3. Third question is x square minus 4x minus 12. And fourth question is x square minus 10x plus 21. Next, fifth question is x square 6x minus 16. Sixth question is x square minus 14x minus 51. So one more question, I will do it for you. Last question. Last question. What is the last question here? X square minus 14x minus 51. I said to multiply first and last terms with symbols. X square into minus 51. Minus 51 x square. So 51 table. 17 3s are. 3 7s are 21. 1 2 51. 17 3s are 51. 3 and 17. X square is there. You can write x and x. From 17, if you subtract 3, you are getting 14. Middle number is having minus symbol or not? So for bigger number, minus. So plus 3x minus 17x. 3 minus 17 answer is minus 14. You know it. If I add x here, I should write x here. So if I add these two, I am getting the middle term. If I multiply these two, I am getting the product with symbol. So x square. In place of this, I am writing a 3x minus 17x minus 51. X if I take as common and minus 17 if I take as common, x plus 3. Y written plus 3 minus into plus minus 17 3s are 51. X plus 3 if I took as common, x minus 17. So you written product of the terms or not? So practice this entire and we'll see in the next class.